In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations on your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional donation option on your site that's easy for supporters to use and simple for you to manage. Start in your Wix dashboard and open your site's editor. On the left side, go to Add, then Apps, which opens the Wix app market. Use the search bar and type in Wix donations or pay buttons. Both options work well. Wix Donations is designed specifically for nonprofits and fundraising, while Pay Buttons is a flexible choice if you want a simple payment button that can be labeled for donations. Pick the one that best fits your goals and install it. You may see a quick permissions prompt. Go ahead and confirm so the app can add the necessary elements to your site. Once installed, you'll have a new donation form or button ready to use. Drag it onto the page where you want visitors to notice it most. Placing it near the top of a page or in a dedicated support or donate section usually gets the best results. Keep the layout clean and the message concise so visitors immediately understand what their contribution supports. If your template has a consistent color palette, adjust the button or form styling to match so it looks native to your site and builds trust. Next, choose your donation type. Fixed amounts work well when you want to guide donors towards specific tiers like small, medium, and larger gifts. Custom amounts give donors full flexibility to enter any number that feels right for them. Recurring donations are ideal when you want steady monthly support. They often lead to sustained impact over time. As you configure this, write a short, clear description so donors know exactly where their money goes, and consider setting a thoughtful default amount that reflects a typical gift without being pushy. Finally, connect a payment method under Settings. This is where you link your preferred provider so funds go to the right place. Follow the prompts to connect an available option in your region, such as Wix's built-in payments or a popular processor. Make sure your currency matches your audience and that you enable the methods your supporters are most likely to use. Clear labels, a reassuring confirmation message, and consistent branding can make the checkout feel smooth and secure. That's it. Your donation tool is in place, configured to your needs, and ready to help supporters contribute with confidence.